For my DIY renovations and redecorating projects, I really got tired of switching between a tape measure and a laser measure, and I love that this is 2-in-1. It measures long distance instantly and short distances manually, and it gives you a triple check. So it can hold your last 3 measurements to make sure that you've measured correctly and proves the data on the screen. While the laser goes up to 197 feet, the manual is really designed for those close-up. Here, it's sitting at exactly 4 feet, and you can see on the screen it's 4.03, 4.03, and 0.04. So it's doing a high degree of accuracy on repeated measurements, and it matches the manual measurement as well. I also love when you put it out, it does stick to metal, and it's a pretty significant stick. I found it pretty easy to use. You can see the amount of data that is left, the laser's on or off. You can see your baseline from the front and the back of the device, area, Pythagorean, volume, whatever you need. Battery life. Here is your current measurement, your second one back, and your third one back. So it repeats and it tells you the angle. So this is a 2% angle, and it was 7.01, 7.01, 7.02 with the fractional as well. I tested it out on our 2-story family room, and it was doing repeated accuracy as well. For that, you can see it's 17.11 feet and 89.4 degrees, so almost 90 degrees. And I did give it a multiple test in different things like window casings. I found the laser light indicator pretty easy to use, and I was getting replicative measurements on that as well. And for the manual aspects, it is a 197-foot laser, 16-foot manual, and it does have its auto leveling. The device is pretty easy to hold. It's about the size of a standard tape measure. It has its power on. I find the backlit digital screen pretty easy to use, and I like that it does have a lot of those features and functions right there. And I really like it holds the memory of the last measurement. So you can see here it's holding that 1 foot on repeat, so I can go back if I forget what I just measured, which we all know happens. The front of the device is more like a traditional measuring tape. Here you have your laser measure. It pulls in and out just like a standard measuring tape with the 1 inch on the top. The laser comes out of here to do your double check. I do like that it has an auto button to close it, so the laser isn't always on. And other than that, it has the retractable feature on the bottom and on the front. Like that it has both features. Here's your 1 inch, here's your inches, and your metric system. And on the top, it does have the fractional aspects as well. So it gives you a lot of detail for double checking. And the magnets are pretty strong, as we saw earlier in the video. Steel tape blade, it seems just very durable and reliable and all easy to use, easy to hold. As far as function buttons, here is your area, your volume, and your Pythagorean measurements, depending on how you like to adjust the angle of the machine, your read, and your on and off. This is where you charge it for USB-C, and that cord is included with the device. Overall, what stands out? It combines multiple measuring tools in one. It does save time on those long distance measurements. I like the accuracy for DIY or professional. It reduces tool clutter. Pretty simple to use. So I like it's a laser tape and a digital in one. It's metric and imperial. It stores the data for data reference. You have to go back and need that. It does have the controls in it, and it's completely rechargeable. So it solves the problem of juggling multiple measuring tools by combining the laser and the distance and the manual into one. Instead of juggling a bunch of tools mid-project, you can actually think about the project itself. Hope this was helpful for your buying decision. If it was, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.